INMB stock analysis and INMB stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'll be breaking down whether this is a buy or not for me in my exact play moving forward. I'm the only guy in the space with 42,000 videos over 5 years, so I've personally seen what's printing me money and what is not printing me. And needless to say, I have made videos before that on INMB, but this thing went all over the place. It just pumped and dumped, right? I was talking about this in this previous video, marked up the top and the lows, and both of those got hit like this today, right? This is what I'm saying. This is crazy. So it just grabbed the liquidity above and it just kept doing its thing, melting lower. I mean, there's no doubt in my head that this is just going to continue making new lower lows here. That's totally fair. I'm just going to stay away and not look even to trade this, right? Is it tradable? Sure. Am I going to trade? Not necessarily, because I don't like just the environment. And I mean, those are the boundaries that you set. Well, like when you follow your edge, and I'm following my edge because I've refined that for 5 years. I know if I stick to this, I'm going to be okay. So it's not financial advice. Yes, my bias now is bearish currently, but doesn't mean that I'm immediately going to sell. So if you want to learn how to make your 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.